Hello again, my lovely fragrance buddies. If we haven't met before, I'm Bree and you're here in my little kitchen with me today to make some mini Reed Diffusers. I recently found these adorable little diffuser bottles on Amazon that I thought would be perfect to use our Forever Red type fragrance oil in. Let me show you how easy it is. Each little bottle holds about 8 milliliters of liquid, and I have 3 of them here, so the recipe I put together will make 24 milliliters of liquid. If you want to make more or less of it, just keep in mind that it's a half and half ratio of fragrance oil and Reed Diffuser base. The base I'm using is from Midwest Fragrance Company. Use a pipette to carefully measure out 12 milliliters of Reed Diffuser base and 12 milliliters of Forever Red type fragrance oil. Speaking of which, if you're more familiar with regular Reed Diffusers, you might be curious as to how these work. Well, the little caps are made of a porous wood which has a bunch of tiny holes in it. It works the same way as the reeds in a regular Reed Diffuser work. So when you hang it in your cart, you just tip it over and let the wood soak up the liquid for a second so it can start diffusing the scent into the air. They have a surprisingly strong scent for being so little. Make sure the fragrance and diffuser base are really well blended. The better they're stirred, the more effective it'll be diffused. You're going to use a little pipette or a tiny funnel to fill the bottles up, leaving a little room at the top. If you're going to give these away, put the little stopper that they come with back in so you can preserve the liquid inside and keep it from diffusing before you gift or sell it. But since I'm going to be using one of these right away, I'm just going to go ahead and screw the cap right on and get it diffusing. To make these cuter, you can even add some decor if you want to. You can find lots of little 3D stickers like these in the scrapbooking department at your local craft store, and they're the perfect size to stick on the little glass bottles. Try to avoid adding anything to the wooden cap to make sure it doesn't mess up with the diffusing. With the finishing touches, these make for a really pretty and unique way to scent your car, and they're so simple and cost effective to make. Do you want to try these out for yourself? Find any fragrance you could want for your car on our web store. We have a bunch of new scents that I've been dying to try, so subscribe to our channel to see what I'll be using them in next time. I'd love for you to become a fragrance buddy by subscribing to this channel and ringing that little bell so you don't miss a second of our videos. Check out all of our socials linked in the description box if you haven't already, and I hope to catch you in the next one. As always, stay scented, my friends.